Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the KIMAFUN Fitness Wireless Microphone. The KIMAFUN 2.4G G100-1 is a wireless waterproof headset microphone with transmitter and a 3.5mm receiver. For fitness instructor, for spinning, for yoga, for computer, for personal computer of course, for smartphone. It's an awesome speaker with a good microphone. The wireless waterproof microphone is designed for fitness coach and anyone requiring sports. Beautiful curves and simple shapes can effectively improve the stability and comfort of the product. It was simple to connect and fits perfectly around the head. The humanized structure design won't fatigue as during high impact use, even when moving, dancing, etc. The sweet waterproof and SWEATPROOF design enhance the customer's experience and product life. The device that picks up the sound consists of dust-proof anti-corrosion shell and a professional waterproof condenser. It can effectively eliminate environmental interferences and achieve a high fidelity and the restoration of voice reception. In addition, this gooseneck and wireframe headsets are both built of waterproof, sweat-proof materials. They aim to provide a reliable and comfortable microphone for fitness customers. This product adopts a 2.4 GHz wireless transmission, which can connect automatically within 2 seconds. The 3.5mm receiver is suitable for iPhone, Android phone, tablets with a free Y splitter included, and a free USB sound adapter for computer, laptops, MacBook, and personal computers. The package includes a free 6.35mm adapter for voice amplifier, audio mixer, and outdoor speaker. Once we install the mic into our device with suitable adapter, we can get the best sound quality by recording the audio or video. The wireless transmitter and the receiver are powered by built-in lithium batteries. They can be charged simultaneously with the dual USB cable. The indicator light will turn red while charging and go out when fully charged. The transmitter and the receiver can be fully charged within only 3 up to 4 hours and be used for 6 up to 8 hours. We are going to use a 5V, 1A up to 2A charger for charging itself. For example, this can be your personal computer, or it can be your AC adapter from your smartphone too. The charger is not included, so you can connect this where you like. The package includes a high-quality carrying bag. It's easy to storage and carry too. The microphone can be used in 2 ways. We used it as a general headset mic, or we removed the head bracket. It will become a handheld microphone. The wireless transmitter is fixed on the head bracket. It can help us get rid of shackles of cable of maximum comfort and freedom of movement. The microphone is suited for fitness coaching, spinning coaching, aerobics coaching, yoga coaching, Pilates coaching, water sports, gym teacher or teacher itself, speech, YouTube video and audio recording, and so on. You see, it's possible to use that for nearly all things out there. KIMAFUN is combining an R&D founded in 2004, the production and sales of the professional microphones. KIMAFUN is committed to provide us with professional premium products and services. They pay attention to the quality of the product and humanized design. They strive to meet the needs of us in every detail. We have a waterproof condenser. We have a waterproof mic boom. We have an anti-sweat ring. And the transmitter and the receiver cannot be exposed to water, so take care of it a little bit, okay? We can use the Y cable to connect our devices with our smartphone or with your camera system or with your tablet. If you're going to connect it to an iPhone 7 or up to the 13 Pro, for example, you will need an additional 3.5mm jack adapter to Lightning. Of course, this is not included. Then we have a cable from USB to the Mac, for example. This you can use to connect it to a notebook or a Mac, of course. And of course, you can connect it with your DVD player, with your DVD recorder, what you like. The item is just for collecting sound. We will still need another device to make it work, such as a smartphone, a personal computer, a camera, or a speaker, of course. We can't monitor the sound when we use the mic to record or live stream. For iPhone, of course, we will need the original Lightning to 3.5mm adapter. Okay, this is not included. For bad sound, the power of the speaker of the PA system that we are using should be above 100 watt. It cannot be less than 15 watt. The speaker we use must have at least one 3.5mm or 6.35mm audio input socket. And it's really easy. We should use the built-in recorder app, a voice memo app, or the recorder app to record audio by the TRRS smartphone adapter itself, because audio recording is easy, because it will connect it to your smartphone and it will automatically, it will be the main source of it. For video recording, it's the same. For Android phone, we can download the Open Camera app, for example, from Play Market. This app supports the external microphone by using the smartphone adapter. We open the camera app, we click the settings on the upper right corner, then video settings and the audio source and external microphone, if it is present. In the iPhone way, we just use the camera app that built in the phone. It can be support external microphones automatically. When the recording finishes, we can use our headphone to listen the audio with the adapter plugged in, or we unplug the adapter and use the phone speaker to play audio. This is important. This is really important, because if it is connected into your smartphone and you will playback it, you will not hear any kind of sound. So you have to disconnect this device from your phone and then you can hear the sound again. Or you use an audio, that means a speaker with this adapter. You can plug it in there and then you can hear it. These two options are available. But I think the easiest way is to disconnect it. Temporary, job's done. That's easy. I do the same like every time. This is easy and it comes with a good sound. We will hear it later. This is the fitness wireless microphone by KIMAFUN. The 2.4G wireless waterproof headset microphone with transmitter and 3.5mm receiver. For fitness instructor, spinning instructor, yoga instructor, of course for computer geeks, PC, smartphone, and so on. This is really good designed, really good build, and it's waterproof. Oh yeah, that's awesome. And now let's talk about the sound, or I will talk and you will hear it. Yeah, let's go. So here we are. Now you can hear the sound through this microphone by KIMAFUN. This KIMAFUN microphone makes a good sound solution for all your devices out there, because you can connect it to your smartphone, you can connect it to your personal computer, or you can connect it to all other kind of devices out there which contains the headphone jack support or USB. You can use it as handheld microphone here, or you can also use it for this device here. So you can use it on or over your head easily. This is really cool and easy for sport, for gym, for interviews or something else. Because the sound is great, these are the awesome KIMAFUN headset. You can additional use a microphone with this, and of course you can add a speaker with it, and of course then you have the possibility to hear what's going on. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.